Hey, thanks for stopping by today. As you can see, our mudroom has received no love or attention, but the time has finally come for us to transform it from dull to stylish and functional. On a tight budget, of course, so let's go. You know me by now, I start all of our home projects with a plan. I assessed the space and I kept in mind that I wanted a sense of relaxation to welcome us when we enter our home from the garage. I pulled out my trusty graph paper and went on to sketch out some ideas. Now, I wanted the space to stay organized, and since corralling mail is a big part of keeping this space looking neat, I looked up some mail organizers on Pinterest to get an idea of what I liked. Once I finalized a small list, I hit the pavement. My first stop was a container store to look for shoe storage and an organizer. I don't come here often, so I was curious to see what they had. So let's explore. The list for the space is very short, but I definitely need a rug to ground the area, a clock to fill the wall, and some live greenery, so let's keep looking. Now, I am not sure of why we waited so long to get the space in order because once we got rolling, we knocked it out pretty fast. I like to start all of our home decorating from a blank slate by removing everything from the space and giving it a good clean. The vibes automatically shift and the space immediately feels better. Trust me. We have made it to my favorite part, which is pulling the space together and giving it a personality. Look at how cute these baskets are. The container store had the exact measurements we needed for this space, and I just love them. I added plastic at the bottom to keep them from getting dirty from the shoes. I mean it when I say I am keeping the decor in the space super simple. You know I had to add a plant, so I picked up the ZZ, which is low light and low maintenance. I'm using an old jewelry box to hold service cards, and I'm hanging this old wall decor I picked up from Walmart several years ago with these Velcro strips. They're so easy to use, I just cut them down to fit on either side, took off the backing, and voila. We have had this old mirror forever, but I think it's going to work perfectly in this space. Now, I am excited to show you guys my find of the week. Check it out. This is the same organizer I saw at IKEA, but in a cream color. Yes, it has seen better days, but I cleaned it up and it only cost me a few dollars. Do not be afraid to shop on Facebook Marketplace. I think it is now one of my favorites. If you saw our home gym makeover video, then you know how we feel about claw clips. I'm telling you, they are our go-to when we're hanging heavy decor. I'll be sure to link that video just so you can check it out if you haven't. Now, I love that mail sorter so much, I decided to add some labels to it to make it even more official. So check it out. That's a wrap on another makeover. So let's take a quick peek back at the before. And on to the after. Oh yeah, I'm loving it. Not only is the space functional, but it is so cute. As you can see, it did not take much to pull it together. I simply stuck to the warm colors I enjoy, shopped my home, and kept it simple. I also want to thank you guys for helping me reach 100 subscribers. I'm new to YouTube, and your support has truly warmed my heart. Please continue to like, share, subscribe, and make sure you catch me next time.